In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an item type in Wrike. Whether you're new to Wrike or just looking to refine your project management skills, I've got you covered. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Wrike website. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If you're new to Wrike, you'll need to sign up before proceeding. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be met with the dashboard where all the magic happens. This is your central hub for managing tasks, projects, and anything else you need to keep your team on track. Next, let's open a folder, project, or space. You'll want to make sure that you're viewing it in the table view. This view is particularly handy as it provides a straightforward, spreadsheet-like format that makes it easy to scan through tasks and details at a glance. Once you've got that open, it's time to pick the task you're interested in. Now, here's where we start making changes. Move your cursor to the task you want to modify. You can either right-click on the task directly to bring up the Options menu, or, if you prefer, look for the three-dot menu button that's conveniently located next to the task title. Clicking this will also bring up a list of options that you can apply to the task. Once you see the options, look for the one labeled View Details and give it a click. This action will open the item view, where you'll find a wealth of information and customization options for your task. It's here in this detailed view where you'll be able to change the item type according to your needs. Alternatively, if you find it easier, you can simply click on the task's title itself. This will also take you straight to the item view. Sometimes, this method feels more intuitive because it directly connects you to the item you want to alter without having to go through additional menus. And there you have it. You now know how to navigate through Wrike to change an item type. Remember, practicing these steps will make the process smoother each time you do it. Don't forget that Wrike's extensive features are there to help streamline your workflow, so take the time to explore them further and see what else can be optimized in your project management endeavors. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helped clarify how to change item types within Wrike. If you have any further questions or need more tutorials, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Happy managing!